Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn on or activate Miro in Blender. This is a short tutorial, so let's jump right into the video. So I'd like to multiply this cube. Like to so let's actually jump right into the video. I like to make around 4 cubes. So let's see how it goes. Now, what I have to do is to go to modifier properties, add a modifier, and here select mirror. And here, what I like to do, but not all the time, is just to activate XYZ, all the axes, but it's up to you, depends on what you're working on. Now what I have to do is to go in edit mode, and now let's say press on G or click on move. Now I like to create 2 here, and then 2, 4, and then here. Now press on apply, also go in object mode, and now apply. Now you have 4 cubes. To do this manually, to complete this manually would have required considerably more time. So I hope this short tutorial saved you time and helped you. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have any recommendations, suggestions, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.